What's going on, Rankin family? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are looking at this beautiful new construction property right here in Houston, Texas. So if it's something that you don't want to be in the suburbs, this is a perfect plan for you. So we have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. We have over 3,500 square feet. You actually have a 4-car garage, and I can't wait to show you the inside. So as you can tell on the exterior, we have the painted white brick that we so much love. You do have the stone as well as the stucco up there. You have a covered front porch, which I absolutely love. For all my folks that love to sip your morning coffee out here, this is perfect. And not to mention, you have this oversized pivot door. I absolutely love this one. Let's go ahead and take a look inside and look how beautiful this is. So even in your foyer, you have your 20-foot ceilings right there. Absolutely amazing. And then you have your study right here to the right. You have tray ceilings. You have the French doors. And I absolutely love this. You have your accent wall in the back. I'd really love to hear your thoughts in the comments below as far as this green color right here. Do you like that? Would you change it? Some people, just based on my experience, would probably just have a neutral color in here just to bring it out so it's not so dark, but really it just comes down to personal preference. So inside of the property, you are going to have engineered wood flooring. You're going to have carpet in the bedrooms upstairs, but we'll get that later in the tour. And this is your formal dining room. So you have your double tray ceilings on top, plenty of windows for natural light inside of here, which I absolutely love. And the one thing I really love about this formal dining room is the fact that you have so much space in comparison to a lot of other plans being 3,500 square feet. So even right here, of course, this is a regular dining table, but we can easily put a 8-seater dining table inside of here, no problem whatsoever. And if you can tell, you have your iron rod as far as going up the stairs, but we'll go through that later in the tour. And this is your beautiful great room. Oh my goodness. So you have the dramatic electric fireplace, and I can't wait to show you the primary as well. You have floor to ceiling all the way to the top with the exposed beams as well. Plus you have all that natural light that illuminates the entire place, which I absolutely love. And gosh, I really just want to hear your thoughts about this fireplace in the comments. But I love this section over here. This is perfect for decor, decorations. You can even put some books, CDs. I mean, nobody watches CDs now. We're on Netflix, but if you did have some CDs, that'd be a perfect place to put it. And this is what you're working with. So I love the furniture inside of here. It's a very minimalist feel. I love the simplicity of it. And this is your nice, beautiful kitchen. So you have a 10.5-foot island right here. You have the breakfast bar with the built-in cabinetry. You have stacked cabinets on top as well, which is absolutely fantastic. And not to mention, you have that beautiful, elegant wooden range hood, which I so much love. And a lot of people overlook the pot filler. I love the pot filler. Me personally, I think it would have been nice just to add a brass pot filler, but of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I think the black definitely does it justice as well. No big deal. I'm not going to hold that against them. And look at this. I mean, I just love the oversized island. You have your built-in oven right here, stainless steel, and even inside of your pantry. You have a nice sized pantry, plenty for storage. And I just absolutely love this. And then not to mention, you have your breakfast nook over here. You got your 3 to 4 windows as well. You got plenty of space. This is perfect for Saturday morning breakfast. Of course, the formal dining, a lot of people just use that for special occasions or holidays and things like that. So that's just something to keep in mind. But so far, I'm definitely loving it right now. Just the amount of upgrades that you have inside of here. And what we're going to do is, before we go to the primary on the left, we'll go to the right. This is your powder bath right here. So perfect for entertaining guests. They don't have to go to a bedroom or go upstairs to use the restroom. This is perfect. So you have quartz countertops. You have that sleek mirror right there with the beautiful lighting fixture as well. You got great cabinetry with tile flooring inside of there. And then you have a nice size storage closet. And then I really want to show you the garage. It's a 4-car garage, if you could believe that, which we really don't see that often. So you easily comfortably fit 2 cars right here. And then of course you have the little tandem. So you can easily put your Tesla right here. You have your Cadillac Escalade right there. And then if you have 2 cars, if they're guests, or you just have cars that are just used for work purposes or leisure purposes, this is fantastic. Not to mention, if you're a type of person that loves to work in the garage, even if you only have 2 cars, this is perfect for you because you have ample amount of space as far as the driveway is concerned. And then you can easily work in the garage. So right here is going to be your utility room with your built-in storage cabinets on top as well. And then of course, once you fold those linens and things like that, you could easily just put it right here inside the closet. Now, let's go ahead and go take a look at the primary bedroom. I think you're absolutely gonna love this. So you have your double tray ceilings with the LED ceiling fan on top. You have so much space inside of here. That's a king size bed with 2 nightstands. Look how large that sofa is, not to mention your dresser. And look how much walk room you have. Not to mention you have an electric fireplace inside of here. You don't see that often, and I love that they added that. A lot of times you might see some custom homes that don't go above and beyond, and this is definitely one that does. Even just the elegance of the double tray ceilings, goodness gracious, you probably wouldn't want to even leave the bedroom on a Sunday morning, to be honest with you. That's how nice it is. And this is going to be your primary bath. So your ensuite, you have your large freestanding soaking tub right here. They added the brass faucet right there, which I absolutely love. You have your full-size walk-in shower with the tile shower surround, and not to mention you have your built-in shower bench. Plus you have the brass shower head right here, handheld shower head as well. And you got your shower niche. Gosh, they didn't leave out anything whatsoever. Inside of here, you have the quartz countertops again. You have the brass handles. Not to mention, you have dual sinks, which is fantastic. You have your toilet over here. And then of course, here's a closet for your towels and things like that. And then you have your large oversized primary walk-in closet. Look how stunning this is. Look at this. You even got your Fendi, your Hermes. This is living in luxury. Goodness gracious. So you have plenty of space inside of here for any size wardrobe. You can put your nice Prada shoes right there. You can easily put your fancy ties over there for the men. Gosh, what more could you want? And speaking of that, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails of folks wanting to make a move to Texas every single week. So if you are in that bucket now or in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll get you taken care of. Not to mention if you're purchasing in Austin, Dallas, San Antonio, Houston, I have all the resources that you need. I'll get you connected to the right expert and you won't be disappointed. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. And that way you're one of the first to know when I drop a new video. All right, folks. So now we are entering the game room right here. So as you can tell, you have that lip with the LED lighting that illuminates the place, adds a nice ambience inside of the game room. So you have plenty of space to put your ping pong table, maybe your pool table, or what have you. This is a perfect spot. Not to mention, you have the engineered wood inside of here as well. So let's continue along. We'll go right here to the right. This will be a bedroom right here. So you have a nice size bedroom, perfect for a queen size bed, 2 nightstands, and a dresser, and you'll still have plenty of room. Now inside of here, I'd love to hear your thoughts as far as the carpet. So I probably would have added lighter carpet. That's just my opinion. Because if you would have had the engineered wood continuing in the bedrooms, not only does it not have that cozy element that a lot of folks love, but if you have kiddos, you know exactly the stomping and hearing them jump off the bed and stuff like that. And you don't want to have to be screaming the whole time. So carpet definitely kind of lightens the blow. So that's just my 2 cents right there. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on that as well. So then you got your third bedroom right here. Over here, you got your window nook. You got a decent amount of space. And then of course, you have your nice size closet. It's not a walk-in, but it'll definitely get the job done depending on who would be living in this one. And then we'll go back out and just look how beautiful this is. You really just cannot go wrong with this whatsoever. I love this bridge right here. That way you can easily see the foyer, who's coming in, and then not to mention who's here when they're inside your house. Love it. And this is your fourth and final bedroom right here. This one will have a bathroom attached to it as well. You got your shower tub combo. Quartz countertops extends in here with the beautiful brick-like shower surround. I absolutely love it. So one more thing I'd love to hear your thoughts on is if you like the black handles, the black knobs, or if you like the brass. What I've noticed a lot lately is we've been seeing quite a bit of the brass itself. I know, sometimes things go out of style, but it comes right back in years later. And I'm definitely seeing that common theme here in 2024 so far. So that was this property. Like I said, a little bit over 3,500 square feet. You definitely see this open concept, the high ceilings. Everybody loves the high ceilings when they come to Texas. That's one of the first things they think about. And like I said, this is a custom builder. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. And this is your covered backyard patio. So you got your wood ceilings, you got the LED ceiling fan, the oversized ceiling fan, plenty of space inside of here just to put any size patio equipment. And the good thing about this one, folks, is what you see is what you get. So a lot of times we see the model houses and you wonder, can I get that? Do they have any inventory that is going to have all these upgrades in it? How much is it going to cost? So the price is what you get inside of here. So that, folks, is the custom home right here in Houston. All right, Rankin family. So that was the beautiful custom home right here in Houston, Texas. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, this is first come, first serve. So if it's something where you absolutely want this property, be sure to reach out to me. We'll definitely get you taken care of. And of course, if you do want more information about any properties here in Texas, reach out to the information below and I'll get you folks taken care of. See you on the next property tour.